everybody. Have you all seen these at Harbor Freight and wondered if they were any good? Well, I have too, and I finally got a shot to get one because it was real cheap. I think it was a floor model. I had to buy the battery and charger, but the saw was 50 bucks and it was hard not to. It's an 18-inch saw. I think this is the biggest one they make. It's all plastic, which everything's all plastic today anyway. There's some neat little features and whatnot. It's not too heavy. I'm curious to see how the battery holds up. I've used the plug-in ones before, and they always work pretty good, other than being kind of cheap and flimsy. Of course, I've got gas saws. It's what I cut all this big stupid stuff up with. But I'm curious to see how good this holds up. I've been curious, and now I get to find out. And you guys get to find out for free. If this saw is any good, I'm going to end up replacing this. I went ahead and cut me a new cleat here because the factory cleat was junk. The bar cover is kind of interesting. They put marks for round lengths on it, so it's actually got some utility, and maybe it won't get lost like right away like most of them do. But yeah, I got all this stupid wood to cut up and kind of block up for firewood next year, and I'm just gonna run it until I run out of charge and see how it holds up. Well, first thing that's wrong is they put the damn chain on backwards. I should have checked that. Take two. This ain't where you need to be, boss. Come on. Alright, so I fixed the blade. That was kind of dumb. I don't know why you would install it on there backwards from the factory, but whatever. And then you got to reset it. Well, it's on or off. That's something. There ain't no feather in the throttle on this one. You tighten the chain again. But it went through that punky stuff real easy. Let's try something meaty. So this is sycamore. It's a hard, solid, nice burning wood. It's got a ridiculous grain to it. You can see it going all kinds of which ways here. So I'm going to block this up for firewood, and we'll see how our little battery operated saw holds up here. That's not half bad. I'm kind of impressed, actually. It's got lots of torque. It's not bogging down. It's making some really nice cuts. not half bad. Let's do some more. Well, it cut really good, but now we've got 2 bars left on the battery and it don't want to cut no more. So I'm going to throw that back on the charger for a while and see if it's the battery, if I didn't charge it long enough to start or what. And then we'll come back here and do some more, because if it's only going to cut for 15 minutes, that don't work for nothing.